Hello my good friends of YouTube. Well, yes, I'm making a video. I'm in the garage just mucking about. Got John here.
Hey guys.
From good old Brummy. And we've got this halide lamp. And we're going to stick some voltage through it. You're not using the IGBT today, as it's vacant and still on holiday from Christmas. So I've just got my garage back because it's been a mess and I've had stuff in here of somebody's, and now it's back to normal. Got John and making a video. He's brought this halide lamp down. He wants me to burn up, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Got another lamp as well. Might make another video on that one. Anyway, here we go. See what happens. We've got a bit of glowage. Right. You won't believe this is all from a ZVS driver. It's that Corona. John, just shut the door, mate. Let's see what it looks like. Sorry, mate. Oh yeah. Pull it right too. That's it. Holy shit, what's glowing? What's the red from? Oh, the red light. It's from the bloody... Yeah, it's LED, isn't it? It looks dead bright on this. On this camera.
Mine should stay in fire for tonight.
Imagine if we put a cap on the output.
Ooh.
Amazing how when it arcs over the centre starter bulb, that main bulb, glows up. Because it's aggravating it, not aggravating. It's what's the word?
Exciting.
Yeah, exciting. That's the word. I should have realised that word. Neon. I'm going to try something else. Door! Pause this for a sec, guys. Right, we're back, guys. There we go. I knew it'd go from that point. See it glowing? See the green?
Nice.
You see the green?
Yeah.
It's like it's not X-rays, because I'd see it hitting the CCD if it was, with like a snow on the screen.
Yeah.
So it's not X-ray. It's just the active. It's just exciting. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. That's crazy. I love those gases.
Yeah.
Colour's lovely, isn't it? How many amps am I pulling?
Amps?
9?
1 amp.
That's it. Oh no, the top of it. Ah, you bastard. I look good, that did.
Yeah.
Hey, enjoyed that, guys. Something for you
Nice,
to watch. Just to let you know that I'm still alive. Oh, John!
I'm
how's it
alive! I'm alive!
going? So, I enjoyed the video there, guys. Look after yourselves and be safe. See you again soon. Oh, it's so lovely.